What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video. We got another quick unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna make this one quick, alright? Because the videos be coming out too long, man, and I be having to edit too much. So we'll get straight to the point. I got my nephews right here too, next to me. They don't know what it is. They think it's something for them or something. I don't know.
Goodbye.
No. Take it off, Ivan. Take that off. Take that off. Okay.
I know my one. Look. The one look.
Alright, guys. I got, guys.
A heavy one.
Dun, 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 dun. You throw this box out the way. Put that in here, guys. And look at that, guys. So I got this, guys. It was on sale. They're on sale for $400 on PlayStation right now, so you guys should go get it if you guys want one. It's $400. This is the digital version, so it's no disc. But I already have the slim disc version. So
Open it.
and this is the Spider-Man bundle. And I already have the Spider-Man game, guys, and I have it again. But yeah, guys, I saw this on literally like Instagram, bro.
Open it.
And then
again.
it was on
Open
Instagram.
Open it.
Iván, estoy hablando. Shh. Look, I saw it on Instagram. Boom! I was like, I have to have it. So I just bought it. Probably not gonna set this one up, guys, in the video because I don't need to set it up. I already have. I'm probably gonna unbox it just for the video and then put it back into the box and then I'm gonna see if I sell it or just keep it. But yeah, so in the front of the box, even the box is nice, guys. Like, look at that. So yeah, we got this in the front. We got this in the side. Spider-Man 2. On this side we have the console and the game. Which I wonder if it's the disc or just like the code. Then look at the back, guys. Freaking dope, man.
Look at me.
And this is the top. And look at that, guys. It's sealed. Not like the Xbox one. That shit was open, man. Somebody opened it. Alright, guys. So we're gonna... Ivan, stop. Open this one up, guys. Gonna have to reseal this one right there. I want to close it up. Oh, damn, guys, even the box is nice. That's probably why I bought it, just because of the box. So we're done. And then PlayStation, of course. It's just a regular white box, guys. Nothing entertaining about it. Well, the Xbox, that's real entertaining. Feel me? Let me not break the box. That's why I didn't. So I damaged the box, guys. Oh, man.
Look.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Yeah, turn the AC on.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna unbox this. It opens up. Then you have the box, guys.
It's hard there.
Boring packaging. This is the power cable. Take a shot. Guys, what are you guys doing? Stop touching. Here we have the stands to put it on its side. We have that. Probably gonna put that back in here so I don't lose that. Yeah, we have that. We have the HDMI cable. Then we have the charger for the controller. Iván, muévete más atrás. Check it, YouTube.
Like that.
Yes. Those are the cables. That's the stand. Put this back. On this side, guys, we have the controller. Which, who doesn't love brand new controller, guys? These are the best. Look at that. Bless you. Oh my god, the controller feels great, guys. A new controller, man. Nothing like it. Oh, it's so hot here. Controller to the side. And after that, guys. Oh, it says. Oh, we have the Spider-Man code. Can't show you guys that. wait, I might give it away because I already have one. I don't need it. So I think I'll give it away. And here's the console itself, guys. Bless you. And the last setup, I forgot to show the actual console, guys. That was a fail. Got some manuals sticking out. Regular PlayStation manuals. Bless you. Done, 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 guys. It's a brand new console. Look at that, guys. Done, done.
Show my reflection
guys.
code.
There's nothing like a new console, man. Damn, Jacob. Alright, guys. So this is the console. This is gonna wrap up the video. You have the same. Ivan, stop! You have the gloss on the top, the little mat on the bottom. Same thing for the other side, the gloss on the top, mat at the bottom. You got the two USB-Cs. I think that's what they call the power. And then on the back, you have the HDMI, the LAN cable, and two USBs, and your power. Yeah, pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna bring out my other PlayStation to show you guys. It's the same thing. But yeah, guys, this is it. So I know it was quick, but let me give you guys this code real quick, and then the first one to watch it, I guess, could have a free Spider-Man game. That's you.
For real, you could do that?
Yeah.
You don't care?
No, I already have it. There it is, guys. There's a free code. Pause it. Oh, it's not even zoom in, right?
Let me try to zoom in. It's not focusing yet.
It's not focusing. That sucks. Try to zoom in.
Yeah, I tried it. Whoever could have guessed it.
I like
Alright, guys. Well, we tried. If you guys got it, congrats. If you guys didn't get it, sorry. I'll try to redeem it one day. See if somebody got it. But this one, probably going to keep it in storage. Maybe. If I do sell it, it's going to come with no Spider-Man game. Because obviously, somebody probably got it. But most likely, I'm going to keep it in storage for now. And yep, set it up somewhere in the future. Alright, guys. Peace out. Hey, how long was it? What's up, YouTube? So I got a surprise for my nephews here. I got them a little secret toy yesterday at Target. I'm gonna give it to them now, right now. You guys ready to see your guys' gift?
Yes.
You guys gotta share it though, okay?
Okay.
You gotta
Is
share
it
it
toy?
and build it together, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
We have to copy the list.
I only got one, guys, because it's pretty expensive. I was broke yesterday. I got something else that I gotta show you guys in the same video. I'm probably gonna put it together. So let's show them real quick. You guys can stay right there. Record their reactions. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing.
No, stay there.
Thank you for the video. Bye.
It's not too big.
Close your eyes.
Let's go behind.
All right, you guys go open your eyes. It's a Hot Wheel. Oh shit, that's the wrong side. That was a fail.
Look,
Look at
this is
that.
what it is.
Yeah, so one card for Jacob and one card for Ivan.
Which one's
Okay.
mine?
You guys pick which one you guys want.
Let's build it together.
Okay. Yeah, you guys build it together.
It's a hot snack.
Yeah.
Open.
Alright guys, so that's it. It just, we was at Target last night and I was like, fuck it, let me get something for the kids. That was pretty expensive. $35, guys. It's a lot of money. So I got it so they can play with it together. Share it. And yeah, this is gonna be just a little intro to the other video and another unboxing that I got. Stay tuned.